Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got a food subscription unboxing for you and I've got December's Degustabox. That's what it looks like. This is how it arrives in the post. It gets delivered by courier so you know exactly when you're going to be getting it. So if you're not going to be in, you can rearrange delivery or you can leave at a safe place. So if you've never heard of Degustabox before and you're really curious in knowing a little bit more about it, then I'll just give you a quick lowdown. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in December's box, then I'll add a timestamp down in the comments below so you're free to flick forward. This Degustabox is a Degustabox UK box. The cost of the box is £12.95 and inside contains between 10 to 15 food related products. A lot of the items tend to be gluten free, tend to be vegan and dairy free, etc. Not everything, but they do tend to have a lot of them in there. They also have a lot of like protein bars, protein shakes and healthy eating snacks and things. They also have a lot of random things in there as well, like we've had tins of soup or we've had like a mayonnaise, or I can't think now off the top of my head, but we do get some random stuff that have been around for years and years and years, which is fine. But also we get food items that are brand new. Some items have not been released in shops yet, so we get exclusives in this box, so we're able to try it before everyone else does. So the cost of the box is always more than what you pay, but it's not tremendously so. It's usually around £20 to £24, something like that. I will tot it up at the end because they give you a card and it tells you everything about the products and it gives you the prices as well. So when you first sign up to Degustabox, you are asked whether you like alcohol or not. It's just so that if they've got an alcoholic product lined up to be in one of their boxes, then they can give you an alternative. Some months are better than others, as what you'd expect. It is a mystery box, so you're not going to know what you're going to receive. There's always a theme, and yeah, I think overall it's a good box. I think it's a fun box to have. You don't know what you're going to get. There could be items you absolutely love and fall in love with and then you go out and buy them, or there could be items which you absolutely hate. You're never going to try again. I think that can be the exciting part of it. Now this box is gifted to me. It's sent as PR. I'm on Degustabox's PR list, but I'm taking a break. I am not going to be uploading any more Degustaboxes on my channel for the next couple of months anyway. I just thought I'm trying to downsize what items I have that are gifted on my channel. Because I'm a stay-at-home mum, I'm not currently working, so I appreciate being sent items to review because it saves me actually going out and buying them. I just feel like there's a few subscriptions that I just want to have a little bit of a break from and then maybe come back to them in the near future, and Degustabox is one of them. Mainly because some of the recent boxes I've had I haven't been that keen on. So unfortunately, yeah, Degustabox is one of the boxes that I'm stopping for the time being anyway. If I've missed anything out, I will let you know down in the comments. So let's get on to seeing what we got inside. There's a load in this box. If you're interested in just one box, one box only, I would suggest this box. So we've got a little card there saying wish you a happy Christmas and a new year. Then we got this leaflet which I'll refer to as we go along, and the theme for December is gourmet and fiesta. So give you a quick sneak peek first. As you can see, it's well packaged. It's got lots of bubble wrap here to protect the items, and any jars or anything like that are also bubble wrapped, which there are a few in here which I'll show you. So then the first item is something I absolutely love. Love, 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 love these. The candy kittens, and they're natural sweets. They're gourmet sweets from London and vegan recipe, tropical mango, and they're 108 grams here. And it just says here gluten-free, natural colours and flavours, made with fruit juice. And yeah, I absolutely love them. I can easily eat the whole packet in like 5 minutes flat. Information here, it says that to buy these you can buy them from Morrisons and candykittens.co.uk and it'll cost you £2, and then it just goes on to telling you about what I just read at the back there about it being gluten-free, etc. So yeah, so that's our first item in the box. Next we've got a food item by Blue Dragon, and this is new street food teriyaki skewers, and it makes 8 skewers and it's mild and can be done in 20 minutes. I'm just reading that there. So that's what it looks like there. So it's like a little meal kit. Shall I open it up and show you what it looks like in here? So that's how it arrives, look. So you've got the skewers, you've got little sesame seeds, and then you've got 2 bags of, I'm assuming it's just soy sauce, is it? Teriyaki marinade and teriyaki sauce. Just add 3 diced chicken breasts. This will cost you £2.70 and it's available in Asda, Morrisons, Tesco, Waitrose and Ocado, that's how you say it, isn't it? Ocado. Blue Dragon have taken inspiration from Japan's neon streets to create a teriyaki skewers kit, the perfect introduction to Japanese cuisine. So is that? Love cashew nuts. So we've got some by Gloriously Grown Extraordinary Nuts, Vietnamese jumbo wrapped cashews, smooth and creamy. Oh gosh, 100 grams. I absolutely love them. I love them. See, this is what I tend to do. I tend to get this box, have a nibble of everything, and then when the video is shut down, when it's finished, I bring it downstairs and then I start nibbling. Then I might finish the pack of sweets, might go on to nuts, and before you know it, I've nibbled quite a lot before my family has even had a chance to have a look in, which is, I suppose, why I'm a little bit chunky around the middle, but I love my food. I love my food. They are nice. They are really, really nice. See there. Bit strange with the aftertaste of the candy kittens, but oh, lovely, lovely note. Information just says that they're available in Sainsbury's and will cost you £3. So there's those. I'm going to close them up. Got another item by Blue Dragon, and this time it's aromatic Thai holly basil, and it's a stir fry, and it's medium, serves 2 and ready in 15 minutes. So it's a stir fry sauce there. Oh, they've got 2. No, you've got a proper kitlet. You've got dried basil. Tells you on the bags there. Garlic and ginger paste. I'm not too sure what that is. It doesn't say what's on it. But yeah, so you've got a 3-step little kit there as well. And as with the other product, you can get these from Tesco, Sainsbury's, Waitrose and Ocado, and it'll cost you £1.50. So there's that. Got some crisps, we got some protein chips, and these are YouFit Crunchers popped protein chips. 8 grams of fibre, only 150 calories, and it says sea salt and vinegar flavour. Now I'm not going to open these, even though I want to. Ooh, this is a gift, it's a freebie. It says YouFit Crunchers come in 3 tasty flavours: smokehouse barbecue, sea salt and vinegar, and Thai sweet chilli flavour. Oh, now that would be my favourite one. That would be my favourite one. So yeah, so that's an added freebie in the box. Next we've got some tea, and this is by OT's, and it's a biodegradable tea bags, green tea, cranberry, cherry and strawberry. Oh, that sounds gorgeous. And there's 12 inside there. See there? These can be bought from ots.com, Amazon and Ocado, and it'll cost you £3.39. It says complemented by sweet apples, classic strawberries and a touch of cornflower blossoms. This tea strikes the perfect balance between sweet and sour. So is that? Next we got some twists, and these are Gruyere and spinach. I think that's what it is. And this is by Arden's, and they're twists. They're light, flaky, all butter puff pastry entwined with mellow Gruyere and vibrant spinach. That sounds gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And it says here, it's won Great Taste 2018. And how much we got? We've got 100 grams. I love these things. I love them. Really easy to eat, aren't they? Nice and flaky and oh, tasty. So these are available to buy in Waitrose, and they will cost you £1.75. Scoff them merrily straight from the box. Serve them with soup or dunk them in delicious dips. So there's that. Next we've got a jar. So this is all bubble wrapped, and we've got very lazy chopped garlic. Chopped garlic. Oh, how handy! Really, really handy. 200 grams. Of chopped garlic in there. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. To say about it. Whew-wee, that is really smelly now. It says available in major supermarket chains, and it'll cost you £1.50. It says no stinky hands or chopped fingers. Turn your dishes into flavourful masterpieces in just a few seconds. Check out verylazy.com for recipe ideas. So there's that. Next we've got a product by Made Good. Now they've sent me 3 of them, but in your box you will receive just 1 of these. And it's got free from gluten, milk, peanuts, nuts, soy, eggs and sesame. And we've got 3 different flavours here. So we've got chocolate banana. Chocolate banana granola bars. Allergy friendly and safe for schools. And it's there's 6 bars in there. So you'll either receive that one, or chocolate chip granola bars. That one. Or mixed berry granola bars. Well, that one there. Yeah, chocolate banana one stands out for me, definitely. You will receive one of 3 items in your box. They're available to buy at Asda and will cost you £2.90 each. Just goes on to telling you what I've just read off the packaging, and also it says all made good ingredients are ethically sourced. So you'll receive one of these in your box. Next we've got some products by Indie Bay, and we've had these before. They are chocolate pretzels. We've got dark oven baked spelt bites. And we've got chocolate pretzels, milk oven baked spelt bites. And they're both 150 calories each. And the dark ones, it says here, are vegan friendly on the back, and they're both 31 grams. You'll receive both of them in your box, and you're able to buy them from indiebaysnacks.com, Amazon, or at Whole Food Market and Planet Organic. And they will cost you £1.25p each. So there's those. Next we've got another item that we've received before. And this is quite different. It's a little gummy sweet, but it is alcoholic, and it's not just a little bit either. It is quite strong from what I remember from last time. 7% alcohol, and we've got oh my gosh, Prosecco and Mandarin Spritz. I think I had a Prosecco one last time, and I think they gave me a few different ones to try as well, because I think there was a choice of them in the box. They just taste like pure alcohol. They're like a gummy sweet, so imagine like a fruit pastel-y type sweet, but a little bit softer, but then really juicy, but tastes of pure alcohol. It costs £15 for a selection of 8, and you'll receive 1 gummy in your box. If you go onto the smithandsinclair.com and use code Degusta, you'll receive 15% off. It says blended like a real cocktail with premium spirits, fresh fruit and syrups. Each gummy contains half a shot and are vegan. And I'm sure I read as well last time that you can only consume, is it 2 of them, and then you're not allowed to drive? I think so. So there's that. Then we've got some bottles, and we've got a beer here. Lagunitas Daytime. It's 4% alcohol. Session IPA. It's by the Lagunitas Brewing Company from Chicago. What a cool bottle. Really, really cool bottle. And we've got 335 mils here. Available in Asda, Morrison's and pubs and bars across the country, and this bottle will cost you £1.80. It's a light slammable beer, boldly dosed with a glorious fortune of hops at just 98 calories per bottle and 4% ABV. Daytime is light in the things that weigh you down, yet crisp and hop forward. So there's that. Then we got another bottle. This is by Pedrino, premium vermouth blended with tonic water and citrus botanicals, and it's 5.5% alcohol. That sounds gorgeous. I remember drinking that many years ago. Is it like a martini from what I remember? Blended with a bit of tonic water and the natural freshness of grapefruit botanicals. The light and refreshing spritz is the perfect aperitif. And yeah, we got 200 mils there. Buy this at Ocado, a Waitrose, and on Amazon, and it will cost you £1.95. And then it just goes on to telling you what I just read off the bottle there. So there's that. So those last 3 items are all alcoholic. So if you tick to have nothing alcoholic in your box, you will be sent these 2 as an alternative. So these are 2 chocolate bars, and they are by, what are they? And they're upside down. And they are by King Monty, and we've got mini chocolate snacks, pop rice, and we got sunny orange as well, and they're both 33 grams each. So yeah, the sunny orange one sounds gorgeous. But as far as an alternative to the alcohol, I do think that you're missing out a bit there. It would have been nice to have something a bit bigger, or maybe a non-alcoholic drink, non-alcoholic beer maybe. That would have been nice. But yeah, so those are all the items. So I'm just going to add them all up, and then I'll come back to you. So adding it all up together, it comes to around £27 this month, which is the highest value box I've seen in a long while. That's taking into account the alcoholic box. It hasn't got prices here for the 2 chocolate bars, unfortunately, so I haven't added those into it. I think this box is definitely a box to go out in a bang. Definitely, it's one of the best boxes I've had in a long while. There's a really great mix in there, and there's a lot of items in there this month. So if you're thinking about maybe trialing it, just seeing what it's like for a month, then I do think that this month is definitely a month to go for. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? What do you think of the contents? Have you subscribed? Is this the first time you've seen what you're receiving, and are you impressed, or are you a bit underwhelmed? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.